In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of eggs. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the pros of eggs. Number 1. Rich source of high-quality protein. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all essential amino acids required for various bodily functions. These amino acids are crucial for building and repairing tissues, promoting muscle growth, and supporting the production of enzymes and hormones. Additionally, a high protein content in eggs helps in maintaining a feeling of fullness, reducing hunger cravings, and aiding in weight management. Consuming an adequate amount of protein from eggs can support overall muscle health and contribute to a balanced diet. Number 2. Excellent source of essential nutrients. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients necessary for optimal health. They contain vitamins such as vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and immune function, and B vitamins like folate and B12, crucial for energy production and the formation of red blood cells. Eggs are also rich in minerals like iron, necessary for oxygen transport in the body, and selenium, which acts as an antioxidant and supports thyroid function. Including eggs in the diet provides a convenient and nutrient-dense way to meet the body's nutritional needs. Number 3. Promote brain health and cognitive function. Eggs are an abundant source of choline, a nutrient vital for brain development and function. Choline plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are essential for memory, learning, and mood regulation. Regular consumption of eggs can support cognitive function and may have positive effects on memory and attention span, particularly in fetal and early childhood development. Including eggs in the diet is a natural way to provide the body with choline, promoting optimal brain health throughout life. Number 4. Support eye health. Eggs are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that accumulate in the retina of the eye. These compounds have been associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter harmful high-energy blue light and protect the retina from oxidative stress, potentially slowing down the progression of eye conditions. By including eggs in the diet, individuals can support their eye health and reduce the risk of certain age-related eye diseases. Number 5. Aid in heart health. Contrary to previous concerns about cholesterol, research suggests that moderate egg consumption does not increase the risk of heart disease in most individuals. Eggs contain healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help improve blood cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, eggs are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to heart health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved blood lipid profile. By incorporating eggs into a balanced diet, individuals can enjoy the nutritional benefits that support heart health while still practicing moderation in overall dietary choices. These are the main pros of eggs. There are also potential drawbacks to consider. So, let's get into the cons of eggs. Number 1. High cholesterol content. Eggs are known for their high cholesterol content, with the yolk containing approximately 186 milligrams of cholesterol. Consuming too much dietary cholesterol has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and may negatively impact cardiovascular health. Individuals with conditions such as hypercholesterolemia or cardiovascular disease should exercise caution and monitor their intake of eggs. Number 2. Potential for Salmonella contamination. Raw or undercooked eggs carry a risk of Salmonella contamination, a type of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Although the chances of encountering contaminated eggs are relatively low, the consequences can be severe, leading to symptoms such as diarrhea, abdominal pain, fever, and vomiting. To minimize the risk, it is recommended to cook eggs thoroughly until both the yolk and white are firm. Number 3. Allergies. Eggs are one of the most common food allergens, particularly in children. Allergic reactions to eggs can range from mild symptoms such as hives and eczema to more severe reactions like difficulty breathing and anaphylaxis. Those with egg allergies must strictly avoid eggs and products containing them, which can limit their dietary choices and require careful ingredient scrutiny. Number 4. Potential for bacterial growth. If eggs are not handled or stored properly, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria. Bacteria like Salmonella can multiply rapidly in eggs when left at room temperature, increasing the risk of foodborne illness. It is crucial to store eggs in a refrigerator at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and use them before the expiration date to reduce the likelihood of bacterial contamination. Number 5. Risk of Avidin-Biotin imbalance. Raw eggs contain a protein called avidin that binds to biotin, a B vitamin, hindering its absorption. While cooking eggs denatures avidin, excessive consumption of raw egg whites, especially for individuals with low biotin intake, can lead to a biotin deficiency over time. Biotin is essential for metabolism, hair, and nail health, so a prolonged deficiency can have negative consequences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.